Okay, welcome. Good morning. Okay, let me put this on. So I'll just go through a little trade that I took there, which was discussed by one of the members in the group, and I just took it whilst I was in bed, which is great. So yeah. Okay. So the daily time frame. Let's just get straight into this. So yeah, interesting. Goldie could not continue. We flipped the daily, we broke the daily, and I was ready for my runners because I was in a trade at the time. And unfortunately, we could not continue. So it's a bit of a shame, but anyway. So daily time frame clearly bearish now. You can see here. Let me just make sure I'm not muted. Yeah, I'm not muted. Cool. So the daily flip, obviously, we are clearly bearish now. At the moment, we're bearish, filling the wick up on the previous candle. Great stuff. Let's put that there. The 4-hour time frame, as you can see, is coming down. We're actually broken past the 4-hour support to the left, which is interesting. And GJ. To look at the hourly time frame, also another little thing. Look at this gap below; it's quite a big gap. GJ yesterday was a bit of a pain in the ass, if I'm honest. But yeah. So then obviously we go to this part on gold, and start to see certain levels. So this here was a good support, right there. Now in terms of the support, we go down to the lower time frames, and what? Let's take a look. Let's give a little shout out to who it was. Luco, yeah, beautiful. Luco, put in the chat. He says, potential OB area for buyers going up. Price has not tested area yet. Will pay per trade. Beautiful stuff. And I was like, yeah, you know what? I actually agree with this, right? So the 15-minute time frame, we've got a candle, a bearish candle before the bullish push. It's a broken structure, right? So for me there, this area from wick to wick there is the OB. Okay, so like this. I can actually write in here. OB. Right. Inside left. I can end up moving it there. Anyway. Let's see if I can make the text a bit better. One second. That's what I'm going to write in my journal today. I need to sort this out. I want to make them all look quite nice. Anyway, so this is my level of OB. Great stuff. And then obviously I reduced it on the lower time frame. I looked on the 5-minute and I was like, okay, what can I see here? Let's take a look. Well, I think this candle here is the actual one because it's the bearish candle before the bullish run. So there we go here. Minimized it even more. Look to the left, and I took a buy when we pushed into the zone here. Stop loss below there for 13 pips, and I already closed some here for 130. So sorry, 13 pips, and then I've got a little runner on. So that was quite nice. The little beast. So shout out Luco, just put that out. I was like, yeah, you know what? Great. We haven't come back and retested it yet. It's a good level that I could react off it, and now I've got a little runner, and my runner target is gonna be all the way back up to here, 1672, if we fancy it. So yeah, what I've realized as well is in terms of the OBs is I feel a lot of people try and run it to get like a massive risk to reward, but what I've realized is that you know, if you get a good 1-to-1 already and then let the runner do the damage, then you know it's all good. It seem to get a 1-to-1 a lot, and then sometimes they fuck around. So yeah, let me just write this on so we got it in here. Yeah, so that was TP1, and then this one here, TP3 up here. Sorry, TP2 up there. To come and retest that level if we can, potentially. And there we go. So in terms of later on, what have I got to do now? Well, a second, I suppose I'll break even. Well, I think below could be quite nice. Let's take a look at the 30-minute time frame. We've got clean candles, very, very nice in the 30-minute. Below, which could be good. There's obviously a support there at 1662, but that's a 50 pip zone, so that's not bad. Quite nice. Take a look at the 5 minute. How does that look? Yeah, just support forming, all that kind of stuff. Good stuff. So yeah, let's just mark this up. So if we do break the OB, then sells below 60 to get to 1662 could be nice later on. That could be good. And then even furthermore, below this area is where you get the big move. Wow. The big boy move. Which could go all the way down to 1652, to be honest with you, which would be pretty nice. And that is what I'll probably wait for over here. So let's hope this can stay on a little bit. But yeah, that was nice. So well of people got that right in early in the morning. Yeah. So yeah, in terms of that, either I wait for some resistance to form either there to continue the sells, or if we do break this level, I think sells below would be quite nice as well. Take a look how that looks like in the higher time frame. Yeah, as long as you break below the hourly support, I think we're looking good. We're looking good. Okay, so in terms of GJ, let's go for GJ. GJ yesterday was a fucking pain in the ass. My days. Look at this 5 minute time frame. So I got caught in here, which is great. Just ranged from 12 o'clock till fucking 4. So yeah, that was a bit of a pain in the ass. But anyway, it's just GJ right now. I feel that's happened again. I think that happened I think it happened at the start of this week as well. Sort of last week as well. There, yeah. Just fucks around. I got an L after on GJ. Oh my god. Volume came really late. Yeah, it did, man. So in terms of GJ here, yeah, it's not my best friend right now. It seems to be every time I get in, it just fucking ranges for like 4 hours. I have to just manage risk. Okay, so the daily time frame, right, is bearish right now. It's closed pretty bullish to the last candle, so buys are looking pretty good. 4 hours bearish. It's broken the low of the previous candle, so looking like it might have caused some resistance there at that level. To look at the hourly time frame, yeah, we were looking like we made just an M, and the retest could be quite nice to continue down. Back down to 68 flat would be quite nice, to be honest with you. Look at the 30 minute and the 15, looking like it's ranging, so first kind of warning signs already of fucking GJ ranging again. I'll be staying hella away. And my runner got stopped out here. Just get rid of that. So yeah, we'll see how far this wants to push in the zone. It can still reject all times, but if we break below, my god, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. So yeah, I'll write on here sells below because it could be quite nice thing below. Sells below 1667 point 030. So it's been mitigated obviously, but it could still reject it at any point, but I just got my pip, so I don't really care. EJ, I'll take a look at EJ as well. So yeah, sells below there. Let me just make this a little bit nicer. So sells below 1667.03, and this is a nice clean zone, 42 pips. Obviously, you'd be break even when it gets to that resistance there, halfway through, but that, for the most part, that zone's good. Let's take a look at trend lines in case there is one. One there. Probably one there as well. So we got two there. Two there, two there. Yeah, I'll just go through the trend line that I took yesterday. Where was it? Yeah, here. So we held trend line like this. 1, 2, nearly 3. Was it there? And 2 o'clock? Yeah. So then this candle closed above this one here. And I called a signal and I said around about 0.2 there. When this lower came down, I pressed buy there. Stop loss. I used the previous. I'm pretty sure. Let's take a look how big that was, just so I got that right. Yeah, use previous because I didn't wanted to give it a bit more room than that one, but you could still have used that one. 8 pip stop. And in terms of where I took the trade off, right at the highs there, like 19 pips. And then I wanted to leave quite a lot on, so I left 20% on because we were breaking and flipping the daily time frame to maybe continue bullish and to come to 1685 halfway through that zone, and unfortunately we could not. But yeah, that was nice. Hourly salary maybe on max. Let's take a look. Hourly salary? On what? GJ. It's not a salary because it didn't close bullish, but it could be a doji candle. Yeah. Yeah, interesting. Let's take a look to the left hand side again. Sorry. So this is the bearish candle. Yeah, we closed bearish here. 4 hours about to flip. Have I even done this fucking analysis yet on GJ? Why is my chart weird? I know. 4 hour is there. Let's take a look at the 30 minute, 15. So yeah, so I haven't finished this yet. Okay, so. It's 168, 150. The zone below, I mean, obviously we have a support here, can you see? 168, 530. I think below then we could be good, yeah, because we've already made the M formation there. It's good rejection. The hourly time frame doesn't look too bad. The 4 hour as well. My only cause of concern is it's a bit fucking early for GJ right now. Let's take a look at the spreads. Because recently the spreads have been shit on GJ. 2 pips, quite big. We'll see. 10 minutes time for this closure. But the hourly did close doji. I want to see how it reacts to the level. But I think maybe below because the zone is clean, right? So the zone is clean. You can see this 5-minute support here. So yeah, we'll see in the next 10 minutes or so. We shall see. We shall see. Yeah, I mean, yeah. So yeah, we'll see. Let's take a look here. Actually, take a look at GJ clean zone to the left. Yeah, it will be good, I think. If you can get there. Okay, this Goldie's still holding. Still holding the level. Beautiful. So yeah, I mean, in terms of gold, it's interesting because they really thought the buys were going to be nice above 1680. Could not continue. So we might have to wait a little longer for them big buys. Big buys. So yeah, we've got 2 trend lines on over here as well. So we'll see how that can do anything. Come back to retest 1672 would be quite nice. We will see. In terms of the why is my 4 hour? Oh, is the new 4 hour just started? Yeah, that's why. That's why I've got so confused. So obviously the 4 hour goes bearish below support, which kind of sucks. Top wick, and then the flip could be interesting. But obviously we still got that OB there, so we shall see. The best trend line that I like is probably the higher one, just because it'll be like closing above there, 1673. So we'll see for that as well. So yeah, if you guys haven't liked the stream yet, make sure to like the stream. Filling in nicely here. So yeah, look at that reaction. Oh, beautiful. Trendline is on wick or on body? On wick. On the wick. Yeah. So see this GJ. Hopefully it can push down. So yeah, being a fucking hard. I've been slapped on GJ like 15 times. But anyway. Wait 1 second. That's wrong. It's GJ. So yeah, come on, GJ, get down, boy. Get down, boy. Ah, oh, Luco is driving for work. That's a shame. That's great, great work. Great work, boy. So yeah, I'm thinking if the first trend line closes above, we'll have to see, because the zone actually isn't too bad. It's just that OB area is the area that you kind of want. This could reject at any point here, and considering that the hourly and stuff closes very bearish. To be fair, I've already broken the previous hourly high, so we'll see when we get there. See when we get there. We shall see. Oh, GJ, very nice. GJ looks good. 4 hours flip, 4 hours broken the low of the previous. Looks good. Why the sad face for, bro? So broken the 30-minute low, the hourly low, and the 4-hour low. So I kind of had that pattern again. I just want this to close nicely below, and then we'll see. Take a look at anything to the 5-minute. Is anything here? It's still got the 5-minute zone. Let's get my magic keys out. Where is it? Magic keys. I get a feeling this is liquidity. Of course, you never know. Yeah. But we'll see. It's pushing down. I want it to kind of get past those wicks and stuff, and past that 5-minute support, and then I think the zone below would be fine. Yeah. Yeah, the only thing with the cells is how long are they gonna last. But the M formation is looking good, and the zone below isn't too bad. So, and the dailies are injections. It's just the low left today. It's gonna be somewhere in this region. Hopefully there. Hopefully. So Goldie coming up. What's your October win rate? Okay, my October win rate was 84%. But yeah, this month's been pretty hard at the start, but the losers have been pretty small. We'll get there eventually. So yeah, looking like, oh, nice rejection. It's good. That's what I want to see. Because then if there's 3 touches, oh my god. If there's 3 touches, then hell yeah. I'm in from double top retest on GJ and 3-minute OB gold. It's beautiful. A double top retest on GJ on what time frame? Yeah. Nice. Very nice. That's bloody beautiful, mate. Let's take a look. EJ looking good. Oh shit, I haven't looked at EJ today. So 4-hour closed bearish. This next one's made a top wick. Okay, the daily time frame closed very strongly bullish. Not the best for sells. In terms of the hourly time frame, I just see price has made a high, it's came down, and it could be making a support here. So I don't know what's good about that in terms of maybe a sell. So look at the 30-minute and the 15. Yeah, it's on support. So you'll have to see. You'll have to see if it can break maybe for sells or if it holds price. But for buys above, man, the zone above looks shit. Which is a little bit shady, but anyway. Oh, look at GJ struggling a little bit. I'm glad that that's got resistance there. Good stuff. That means that if you get a break later on, it should be good. It should be good. Yeah, so for EJ, if you're saying EJ looks good, I don't know, good for what? A buy or a sell? Because right now it's on support. Yo, Max, when does EJ have volume? London, NY? I'd say London still, but it's not the best right now, I don't think. Yeah, just try something. So that's a big pull-up, eh? Oh, let's see Wix 9. Wix 9 take a trade in the Asian session, maybe.
That's what the spread took me up.
Oh, nice gold sell. Gold, baby. Gold, gold, gold. Have a sell on GJ 073. It's 073? What the fuck? Okay, still look at the 5. Yeah, I can see it's still holding the support, so I'm gonna leave it a little bit. I'm just a bit cautious, especially when we're overall bullish. And, you know, we could make support anywhere.
Gold retested on the support on the 5.
Huh? Oh, wait, did you say gold or GJ?
Gold.
Yeah. I just think it's maybe a little bit too bearish right now, but because we've got the third touch, or nearly a third touch there, I think later on, if we get the closure above, we're going to get a nice little buy. Because this could still reflip and push below, and then the sells would be nice. Yeah. So I think it might be a little bit later on. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Yeah, put some over here. But in terms of the trend lines, obviously I woke up this morning, I was like, yeah, the trend line isn't there yet. But there's a couple of them, maybe later on for the buys, which is good stuff. Which is good. So yeah, the 5-minute closed bearish. Interesting, interesting. So this GJ closed bearish below, I suppose. They do that right towards the end. Yeah, the 5-minute rejected. How much would stops be in the previous if you got on the low? 13 pips. We'll see if this can make a top wick. Because I quite like how that 5 minutes rejected. $480. The only thing is that fucking 5 level still kind of holding. Let me just move this to there, see if it's holding. We'll see if this makes a nice top wick. And then I might be intrigued to get in on the current candle low. Because the retest would be here, right? I don't want to get the retest though because it could fake out at this level quite a lot. Yeah. So it's a good push up. Nice top wick. So I'll probably get in on the, not on the flip, I'll get on the break of the current candle low. Stop loss would be like 621. $168,200 would be a good target too. So there we go.
Were you
right?
on previous candle or current candle?
Huh?
For your stop?
Current.
Were you on current candle? Current.
Yeah, I use current candle low. I'll be happy with. Yeah. Obviously I'm gonna delete this if we break the previous high. So if we break this high, I'm deleting my sell stop. How many spread is your GJ? My spread is 1.7, 1.6. It's quite a lot. Yeah. Look at the 30 minutes. See, the 30 still hasn't closed below, so we'll have to see. I think this is a good top wick now. To get there, if it wants to. EJ still holding support. Soup can happen. Oh shit! Yeah, I don't have my Asian range on. Yeah. Yeah, as you've seen, the zone's a little bit shit. So yeah, it's super in the Asian lows. See how it reacts to that level, especially at 500 level. See if you want to reflip. But it looks like the 5 minute may be holding over here, so we'll see. This Goldie, oh, that would still be in. Prick. Price on sell stop, you gotta look at that in your terminal. My man. Gold cells look very clean. They look clean below 1667, let's say. I'd say. I wouldn't see anything higher though. Would be good. Yeah, very clean below 1667. Yeah. Oh yes. So how long we got left? 9 minutes left of this 15. 9 minutes. Not clear. I have 2G. Oh my god, 2G. God dang. 2G. So in terms of the 30-minute, yeah, great little M formation. Interesting. So 5 minutes made the lower wick and flipped. So I'm gonna delete this sell stop. I don't really like it too much. After that 5 minute close bullish back above. Yeah, especially because it's at the Asian lows as well. I don't know if I want to be participating in that. Because this candle could easily just do this, right? The next candle could make the low wick, you get tapped in, and then it reflips and then fills the zone. So yeah, we'll see how this 5 minute closes. Yeah. Oh, Goldie. Okay. Should the retest engineer, what level should I be aware of? Took the retest engineer, what level should I be aware of the fake out? You took the retest? Oh, like here? I don't know. do not know. I think it's still holding this retest. You see, it's made the low wick on your level now. I think if this breaks that high, it's gonna fill that zone. So I think the retest in there wasn't the best because of the zone. It's look at the 5 minute to the left. It seems to have faked out quite a lot in this level. Just be a little bit careful with the retest there. Also, the 30 minute hasn't closed, right? Look at the 30 minute support. So yeah, I'd close that shit. But that's just me, you know. Don't be annoyed as well if it nuts down, but I think it's... Isn't the 15 stronger than the 30? No. Yeah, it's stronger than the 5, but the 5... Showing that 5 has already swooped the Asian lows is not a good sign. But... Yeah, it's not a good sign. You want to see the rejection. You want to see the push down straight away below the Asian lows. And after you get that pull up, it could be a little bit harder. How about 30 minute closure above 68.60? Nope, I will not be touching GJ in this shitty zone. Why? Why would I want to ever touch GJ in this shitty zone? Well, there's wicks here, there's wicks there, there's wicks there, so... It means that price, when I get into a trade here, it's probably going to fluctuate in, you know, no real direction. 5 minute rejected again. Very nice. That's actually touched it now, which is great work. So this trend line looks good maybe for later on. Looks good, looks good. What's the thing that... What's that thing that Ted put on? FTT USD. What is that? Financial Time? I don't know. FTT USD. Oh, it's a crypto. Oh, let's take a look at cryptos. We had a bit of a turmoil today, it looks like maybe. Oh! Oh, damn! God dang. People's exchange, wow. There's buys didn't last too long, eh? They didn't last too long. So 4 minutes left for this 50-minute candle. Yeah, I'm backing off on this GJ. If this runs great, I think the 5 minutes could be a little trouble here. 5 minute goes bearish though, which is good. But we've got 4 minutes left for the 30. 30 will give you good confirmation because it'll be closing below if it wants to get there. Great taps on gold trend line now. So I'm just gonna get a little goldy trade here ready. Take a look at the 5 minute, made the top wick now, so looking a bit better. I'm gonna wait for this closure. In 3 minutes time. Gold made a double bottom on the 1 minute. Gold on the 5 minute looks a little bit sus right now, I'm not gonna lie, so I wouldn't jump into that too quickly. This room is fucking freezing. Oh my god. This room just fluctuates in temperature through the seasons, my god. Summer it's like a fucking greenhouse, in the winter it's freezing. It's freezing. What you could do if you wanted is do the celery play if this closes like weak bullish. That could be interesting because that'll be the 30-minute closure as well. That could be interesting. We'll see. Yeah, in terms of spreads on GJ, they've been pretty shit recently, I'm not gonna lie. But it's kind of putting me off even trading GJ even more. Dude. And Goldie spreads are looking tasty.
Yeah, it looks like they basically flipped the spreads. Spreads on gold are what GJ used to be for me.
Yeah.
GJ is what gold was.
Yeah, 100%. That's what I was thinking. Yeah, these 5 minutes and 3 minutes, you gotta, come on, you gotta get the fitter down, boy. You're still holding this 500 level. Get down. Yeah. So closing in a minute's time. A minute's time. Un minute. So yeah, I'm really happy because look, we've got 1 touch there, 2 touches there, 3 touches. So if this breaks later on, oh my god. So closing right now. Just still cautious of the left hand side with them fucking wicks. These ones here. But anyway, it's looking like a good closure, good rejection now, so that's good. 16 seconds left. Holding the retest would have worked out nicely. So we closed clearly nicely on GJ now. So I'm going to probably get in on the break at the low, which is the same one, I think. Let's take a look then. So I want this candle to make a top wick. Take a look at the 30 minute. Yeah. Yes, sir. Because now we can use previous candle stops. 30 minute very clean. Yeah, 30 minutes clean. 100%. See if we can make a top wick at this candle and then reflip and break. That would be nice. Stop loss above the previous 15 there would be 580. Which would be great. So it would be great. Oh. Okay, so I've got a sell stop on break. This is a salary play. It's also 30-minute closure below, so pretty happy with this. Stop loss is going to be above the previous 15, which is going to be 10 pips. That's not bad at all. The more it makes a top wick and etc., the better, to be honest with you, because then when we get the break, it'll be a nice little push. Maybe it'll nut down without a top wick. Oh, I don't know. Over leverage now for extra warmth. Beautiful, making a nice top wick. So if this wants to fill, then good stuff. Very happy for it to do so. But it's also making the top wick to 30. Good morning, rain may cover. Spread's kind of big. Are they still big? 2 pip spreads. I know, that kind of does suck. So not in yet. Two splits. Move my entry down a bit so I don't get put in early. Yep. That's what you gotta do. 100%. Stop starts will be previous 15. So what I'm doing is I'm looking at the lower time frames on my MetaTrader just to see how it's working out. Yeah, do you know what? I'm gonna leave this. If this runs, great. But in terms of the stops are gonna be too big, first of all. The wick to the left is still holding. And I just feel in terms of the actual volume in GJ as a whole, it's just not there yet. You see the 5s? Like the 5s are just fucking ranging. And I'm not getting into another GJ trade when there's no fucking volume. Which has happened.
Time to take GJ off the terminal.
Yeah. And just wait a little bit longer over here. Probably for my gold trade, to be honest with you. GJ just, yeah, it's just been fucking around. Like every single time I have a look at it, I go, yeah, it looks pretty good. And the volume just isn't there. It happily will range around for fucking hours. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave GJ. I've realised I just can't be asked to even go for it. UK speech later. Yeah, actually, I didn't check news today. Let's take a look. Remember, Phil speaks at 9 o'clock. Then another speech as well with Phil. Damn, Phil's busy today. Let me reload this. Okay. Yeah. Italian retail sales, interesting. Euro retail sales, a lot of retail sales today for Euro. Congressional elections, interesting.
Oh yeah, tomorrow we got elections in the U.S.
What for that? I thought, what? To get
Midterm elections.
Ah.
So president every 4 years, every 2.
Mm-hmm. Every 2 they do what?
Oh, every 2 we vote on like the senators and stuff.
Ah, okay. Your senators are all fucking old as shit. They're asking buddy Mark Zuckerberg about fucking questions and they have no idea what a cookie is or whatever. Yeah, this GJ playing. Broken the lows now, so might work now, might get a little push. See if it can finally do it. Oh my god, some volume. Yeah, it's midterm. Ah, nice. Midterm elections. God, yeah, the spread is so diabolical on GJ. Diabolical. So this is good that Goldie's kind of holding this level. I'm pretty happy with that. And then the retrace could be like quite nice later on. Very nice.
Gold's just been dropping all day, huh? Just steady.
Yeah. It's been dropping like it's hot. And let's take a look at GJ now. Whoa, look at GJ. Yeah. Those 2-pip spreads are actually getting a bit like, oh, I don't actually like taking that. 2-pip spreads? Like, what the fuck? Shit's nasty. And there we go, faked out. I did think it would. So, in terms of the Asian session, lows, we're swooping them again. Could be nice to drive bullish potentially soon. which would be nice. Look at that rocket. I still look at Goldie. Is Goldie respected? Yes, still has. Goldie still respecting. So let me just get. I'm just trying to get these magic keys. Seem to be a bit wonky. Okay. So W5 minute GJ. Let's take a look. Yeah, there's a little one there. Zone looks shite. Zone looks nasty. In terms of taking a nice trade in GJ, yeah, I mean, the super and the Asian lows, you just got to get in. Maybe the W could be the one to get in. Maybe. I'm sticking away from GJ now. Spreads are dirt and it's acting weird. Yeah, 100%. Ooh, look at this gold.
It looks like it's setting up nice.
So it'd be buy like there. 1670. Stop loss would be, well, you can have it below there.
You take buying gold, Max?
Maybe. Maybe soon. In pretty much now, yeah. 1 second, see if we can make it a low wick. Ah, fuck. Okay, right. I'm gonna get into a buy on Goldie over here, guys. Right now, because we've got a closure above the trend line. It's the wick down to the trend line, which is also great. Which is also great.
How much stop loss?
You tell me.
Yeah, you when I tell you?
You tell me how much stop loss, brother. It's gonna be here, right? So the stop is pretty tight. It's 11.
Like a 29 pips?
Nope.
No?
11. I also like how we've closed above as well, so yeah, this is nice. In terms of the zone, it's breaking 50-minute highs as well, which is great. 30-minute high as well, so that is also nice. DJ continue? Not yet. Not yet. Gonna ask IC Markets to fix spreads on GJ like they did in the golden index. This is wild. Yeah, is it still bad? Yeah, it's just not the best. It's just not good enough. It's not good enough for the boys and girls in here. Maybe potential targets a little bit higher up, but see if we can get there over here. And gold is making the top wick for the 4 hour to come down. Yeah, maybe. Maybe later on, 100%. Maybe.
Push Goldie.
Push Goldie. So it's broken the 50-minute highs, 30-minute highs, which is good. On gold,
Probably looks nice.
yeah. Do 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 do. That was a nice push. Let's take a look at GJ now. Still messing about. There's the push. There's the push. My God, some people are stacking. Some people are stacking, boy. Just need to push a little bit more, and then we can go break even.
Steve.
Okay, guys, stop us to break even over here. So cheap you want to be, yeah, like that. If you get a nice little drive, there's no bottom wick on the 5. We're quite safe though on the 5 because our stop loss below the previous, really, so that's good. So yeah, this 5-minute needs to make a lower wick. It's also the 15-minute lower wick. Fuck, it's a bit annoying. Because obviously it can be quite aggressive, but we shall see. We shall see. It's, do you know what? The time of that fucking close, like, bro. The fucking time of the close, you prick. Because if you look here, the 50 minutes making the top bottom wick. So maybe you continue. It's retesting right now. I might give my stop a little bit more room.
I'm moving mine down a little bit.
Yeah. We'll see. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see. Down, 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 down. So yeah, I've left mine at break even here, unfortunately. It's annoying. We got close. And then this fucking new 50-minute had to go rate me into the arsehole for the lower wick. In terms of people just keeping it on, yeah, it could be still okay because it's just making the lower wick, right? If this retraces, you're going to be good, I think. But for me, if I'm up 9 pips, I'm not fucking taking any drawdown from that. I was going to do it, but I was like, you know what? It's not even any worth it. 50-minute making the lower wick. If this reflips, great. I might try and trigger it if we fucking hold it. Because Because the stop loss is still okay. Still look at the 15-minute. Yeah. So the 3-minute, yeah, okay. Looking good now, looking good. Not gonna lie, fucking. How did I get in there? Ah, that's annoying. I did just take a second.
But you stuck to your plan, so it's
Yeah.
okay.
Exactly. Look at GJ. Wow, GJ shockingly shit again. So, for people still in the trade, you took another entry. Yeah, I really don't want to fucking miss this. But if it comes back to it, I just re-tap there at 820. So if this comes back down, I'm just gonna hit break even. So we'll see. On the break of the 15 high. Yeah, I just got tapped out there. Well, I think it was a good opportunity, right? Beautiful stuff. Obviously, you know, the thing here is we are still bearish, right? We are still bearish because realistically here, if you take a look at the 30 like this, right? If you take a look at it, what we've really done is price is came down, 1672, retraced up, made some resistance to then continue back down. So yeah, I do think though, like, in terms of the trade, beautiful work, retest, we've gotten 0 drawdown pretty much, just didn't fucking tap our TP. And especially that zone above as well, I actually expected price to come 1672, which it still may do, right? But right now it's struggling to continue, so yeah, little break even over here. Let me just put this on. Just some bad luck, unfortunately, in terms of the way they push, but that's life. So gold, break even. We got to fucking 9 pips. Great success. Those who stack got smacked. They didn't get smacked because it's break even. But on GJ, do you mean? Because if GJ, yeah. GJ is looking disgusting as usual for the past fucking ages, so that'll be me leaving GJ alone. Again. Shit's awful. So yeah, let me just get rid of this now. Oh shit. EJ can go. EJ's breaking the 30-minute lows, but there's still 30 support there though, man. Same with hourly. It's the only issue with it. If you can close below, yeah, 100%. If you close below, it looks good. It looks good. 4-hour flip, what do you think on gold? No. 4-hour flip would be at a level that's rejected before, and there's an OB level there, which obviously has been mitigated, but still could have trouble. You need to be a bit more, you know, a bit more kind of reasonable with where you want to take trades. Not just, oh, the 4-hour flip. Like, that's so obvious that, yeah, okay, it could be good for confluence, but realistically, it's going to be below here because the left-hand side is much cleaner. You get me. You get me, bruv. I actually can try GJ now. Fake out on 15, pushing back below Asian low. Yeah, interesting. I'm not fucking touching it. I think it looks like a piece of shit. And the past 2 times I've took GJs twice in a row as well. Both times I've lost, so I'm fucking leaving it. When I see price moving horrendous, I'm just going to leave it. Wait for it to close? Question mark? Yes. So there we go. Another 0 drawdown trade. We had a 0 drawdown trade yesterday. And another one. Another one. That's really good with the trend line. Like it's good to have that. In terms of could it still continue? Well, yeah, the 15 hasn't broken the low of the previous yet, but it's not looking good, bruv. So, especially when you go for like a 9, when you go in 9 pips profit. What's this fucking guy? What's this guy in the chat? 3 losses in a row on GJ. A lot. Yeah, -2 pips. You fucking dozy cunt. Okay, so yeah, as I said, I'm not fucking touching that. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Oh my god, that's a massive stinker. So let me just go and fucking delete that frick out. So yeah, let's take a look at goldies. It made the lower wick yet on the 15. Yeah, so 5 minutes left for this candle. Would you attract some unwanted attention if you change your room lights to red? Maybe. Maybe I will. So looking like GJ's coming down. 30 minutes flipped. 4 minutes left for this candle. Good luck. I'm not fucking touching it, but it looks good for it to continue down on the higher time. Like the 30. 30's made the top wick. Obviously, it's broken the high of the previous, but that's okay. But I'm not gonna be participating in this 5-minute fuckery. Yeah, I'm trying to think now. So, I mean, obviously, that trend line there, great stuff. Beautiful work. Just didn't get to my entry. I really thought, like, when that 5-minute closes, man, we're going to have to fucking take this drawdown. Not drawdown, sorry. Take this lower wick. Fortunately, couldn't continue, but that's fine. I really wanted to come back up to, like, these levels anyway. So, in terms of now, where I'd want gold, well, it'll be another trend line up here. And gold sells will be further below here, 1667. That's where I'd want it, to be honest. So that's what I'll wait for. Um, 36 likes, guys. Make sure you like the stream up. Yeah, it's 7 a.m. 7 a.m. I've still got so much time. My God. Sell stop on GJ question mark. I'm not gonna answer that anymore. I've literally just told you what I want to do. I don't want to touch GJ. Shit. Hopefully, if it breaks that low now, people who've been holding these sells for the fucking longest time can finally get that trade. But you know, the 4 hour, the hourly, the 30, they look good. But man, the lower time frames, they look shocking. Shocking, my. Yo, Max, what about gold onion? Let's take a look at the 15. Nah, it's just look at the candles, man. We got a bearish candle, bullish candle, bearish candle, bullish candle, bearish candle. It's not price action I want to be trading in. Hell no. 30 minutes got no bearish signs either, so yeah. So let's take a look then. This GJ is gonna break the low of 450. Has that already broken it? Oh might have already broken it. Okay, breaking now. So if you got in there, your stop loss would be 17 pips. Quite big. Quite large. How long left for that closure as well? Yeah, a minute left. Interesting. Let me just do this. So let's see then. How many people in the YouTube chat are taking these GJ sells? Thing is as well, let's look at the 5. Yeah, the five's now starting to push down. Obviously a minute left in this candle. You gotta fucking pray this shit moves, because the next one could make a top wick. Then the flip could be quite nice, so I might look at that if we get the nice top wick again. And the flip, just because I want to see it reject this zone like pretty hard on the next 50-minute candle. So maybe like this candle closing bearish here. Next one come up, and then like flip. I think that would be good. I think that would be the most safest option if you want to take them. To be fair, pre-London has more clean price action than London. Might still be good. Oh, look, shock. It's rejected again. It's because GJ is fucking shit right now. Literally, I'm telling you right now, the price action on GJ is... But you get that from the 5 minute, man. The 5 minute kind of tells you. Look at that. Close back above. So it is 1 o'clock. It is the 7 o'clock candle. Oh, it's just disconnected. Obviously this candle has to make a top wick and stuff, and yeah. GJ just tripping a lot. Yeah, it's just holding that support, man. What's Goldie done? Goldie looks like it's still kind of holding. 50 minute obviously closed bearish though, so yeah, it's still not. There's nothing on the table that's amazing, right? So this morning I took the OB buy there and I took that trend line, so it's not too bad. Is it held at support again? Oh my days. So the hourly closed, obviously no bottom wick right now. Yeah, it's hard. What's your daily bias in gold? For me personally, you know, if you look at the daily bias, we've closed bearish in the previous candle, but we closed still above the resistances. So I don't know, I'm still looking for these buys really. Just remove GJ from my watch list because I never win a trade on it. Yeah. I generally think if I take a look at all the trades I've taken in GJ recently, I'm pretty sure, is that from the 7th? Second, 7th, 4th. 2nd, 7th, 4th. So 2nd. Yeah, so I got caught in this fuckery, which literally lasted like 3 hours of just complete range in this zone. I then got caught in somewhere around here, I think. This fuckery. And then I got caught in this fuckery, and then I got caught in this fuckery. Literally every single time. Oh, and
Right,
yeah,
being such a bastard.
So shit, doesn't it? It just ranges.
I got caught on GJ this morning.
Butcher.
Mm.
Yeah.
Gold's a funny one. It hasn't, even though it's pushed through, it hasn't actually closed below that trend line again.
Yeah, it's still
Like-
holding it, is it?
It's closed below the position, but not actually.
Yeah.
It's like pushed into it, but
Yeah, it's still holding it.
for some reason. Annoying. Oh, Max. And yeah, I can't really trade GD anymore. The spreads are just screwed.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
it's
Just
like
interesting.
2.5, 2.6.
Yeah, that's way too much.
Yeah.
That is way too much, yeah.
Hey ho.
Exactly. See, the best strategy is to move GJ from options and focus on gold. That'll work for me, 100%. GJ spreads are terrible. Yeah, they are. I don't know why though. Get your spreads better, boy. Get your damn spreads better. Bigger spreads on GJ than gold. Yeah. Yep. Which is weird because it was normally the opposite way, like we said before. Normally GJ spreads are like so nice. But right now they're shit.
You-
High time frame of trend, yeah, 100%. 100%. Gold is fixed at 1.9 even on standard. Wow. Yeah, that's good. That's good. So yeah, made the top wick again. Like what the fuck? Look at that 30-minute level. Oh my days.
Oh my god, gold is a fucking bitch today.
That's alright, bro. I've had one win and one loss. Sorry, one win and one break even from it. It's fine. That entry as well. I love it when it comes and taps like on the 5 minute. Literally wicks at it. Oh, at the start of the candle as well. It's pretty gorgeous. I don't know what GJ been looking beautiful. Really? Beautiful? If that's what beautiful looks like to you, then you might be blind over here.
He's a range trader.
Yeah.
So Max, if gold's respecting the 1670 resistance,
Now support.
we're looking for sales if it breaks below, huh?
Yeah, well, yeah, I suppose look at this. I mean, the 15 now, look, the 15 closed bearish just made a top wick. Yeah, I mean, you could do 100%. I mean, in terms of the actual level, is it 30 closed yet? No. But yeah, I mean, it's made the top wick, right? So it is a bit of resistance forming. To look at the 5 as well, rejected the highs. It could be okay to continue back down. So something like that. My only cause of concern is that the retest is a little bit higher up, which is what I wanted the fucking trade to come to. You know what I mean? Like when I look for resistance forming, like here,
Which you very well may do.
yeah, like this. I kind of want it to come a little bit higher up, but I mean, it's got the top wick, so the top wick's pretty good for it. But W on gold. Let's take a look. Is there? The 1 minute maybe. So 15's flipped, 15's pushing down. I'm divorced, GJ. I don't care about the kids either. She's too much. Is he gonna try it again? I think it is. I don't care about the kids. That's great. So in terms of GJ, yeah, Goldie did pretty nice. I was just a bit cause of concern of the left hand side coming back up over here, but great stuff. GJ looking like it's finally
We've
going
gone
to
PE now, huh? If
Yeah.
you take it.
If you got it on the flip, Yeah, yeah. Oh, yes. Onion would have worked. Yeah, I just, to be honest with you, it's kind of this candle as well here. This is the changing direction. It could be a Castle Obi as well, so that also kind of put me off a little bit. Come on, GJ. Finally come back down to these fucking lows. Jesus Christ. Look at the 3-minute. So it's not down, you know, it's got enough volume. Just break it, boy. 20 pip spread. Everyone's getting fucking pissed off about GJ spread. People are getting way... They're getting like, why is these spreads, boy? I feel like I'm on MFF. What the fuck? I feel like I'm on MFF, man. Oh, I'm so pissed off that Golden didn't fucking come up just a touch higher. You got in at 7.5 and the thing was there, 7.5 just there. FF spreads are calm. Really? Not what I've heard. Not what I've heard. Right, I'm going to quickly get a coffee because I'm dying over here. And then we'll be back. But yeah, looking like right now, there's nothing too much on the cards. That's fine. Maybe the elections, you know, maybe they're just, you know, waiting for the election stuff to come out. Be 2 minutes.
There's elections?
Yeah, in the US tomorrow.
Oh, really? Oh, what, they're taking place at the moment? I literally don't watch the news. Is it what's going on at the moment, is it?
Oh no, it's every couple years.
Okay. What's this? Look at fucking gold, man.
Jesse!
It's fucking gold, bro.
Yeah. That gold 15-minute kind of flip would have been nice, I think.
You think he go like 64?
If it breaks, yeah, if it keeps going, maybe. Who knows? Who knows?
Yeah, but you never know, though. Fucking gold, you never know.
I got limits at 1647 ish, like that area. I wanted to retest that and then launch.
60.47?
That's the next major area.
Okay. Yeah, I have a line in 46. It's like the same.
If it breaks below that, I think we'll get down to that area and then go back up
Yeah.
sometime this week.
Gold carrying. Oh yeah, gold's carrying on, man. God damn.
So, oh my god, well done, GJ. Coming back up for everyone. Who's lost their hair today in GJ? So Goldie was the one. Wow, yeah, nice. I mean, let's look at the 5 minute, good rejection on the top, I suppose. Back down to the lows. So if we break this level 1667, my god. It's gonna be nice. It's going to be lovely. So look at the 4 hour flip. 4 hours flipping on Goldie, which is good. Good signs. Good signs. Birds flying high. Know how I feel.
Max, when's your album coming out? You ready for Christmas or what, mate?
Too right. So there we go. 4 hours flipped. Obviously, we've got to wait until it gets a little bit lower. What do you expect in GJ? Wait for the candle. If you're waiting for anything on GJ, you're going to get slapped significantly. So, whatever you want to do, you do it. But for me, I've looked at GJ for about 10 minutes and said, fuck that. I don't want to trade this GJ shit because the 5 minute has crap price action. And for the people that have taken the sells about 7 times, you've just taken about 10% of your account away just because you traded a shit GJ. So is it worth it when the one time at nuts? No, I don't think it is. Midterm election not full.
Hey guys, I wanna try a new founder company.
A new funded company.
What do you recommend, Max?
FTMO.
Yeah, but you can do many things, and
What?
If you do a
FTMO.
swing trade account with them, you can do news.
FTMO is the better spreads, I'm pretty sure, and it's the better customer service. It's just the better of all of it. That's what I've heard, anyway. A funded trader.
Max, have you heard of a company called Vantage?
Advantage effects, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, Raji used to use them. They're shit spreads as well.
What's the name? What is the name?
FTMO.
Oh, okay. And these older ones like 8 old,
What?
like 8.
8? What? I don't know what you're talking about.
Like that.
Just... Do. So there we go, man. I mean, 5 minute close bullish again on GJ. Probably going to come back above holding 500 level, but it's such a big key lesson, man. If you're taking all these sells, trying to get it, go, oh, it's going to work this time. You know it's bad price action. It's painful. Go for E8 funding. There's so many now. E8. Elohi says E8. I have no idea about E8. Couldn't comment on it. So Goldie's still holding the 4 hour flip. As I said, it's still at a level that I could reject off, but below is going to be good.
You're ready to make the coffee, Max?
There's no fucking milk in. It's great.
Oh man,
No milk. I got
Coffee.
me coffee.
coffee is with no milk, bro.
Hell no.
Yeah,
That's
black coffee is for strong man.
black
What
coffee
you
is
doing?
black coffee is for arsehole breath.
Black
Oh my
coffee
God.
is for stronger man.
Coffee could fucking
You know, you
Rot.
sorry
coffee
to
could
tell you
make
that.
coffee could make your breath rot metal.
Oh, man. Sorry to tell you that, but coffee with milk is for babies, bro.
Yeah, I'm a big baby.
Woo.
Oh,
I have loads of milk as well. Black
How could you
coffee,
say that?
black coffee puts hair on your chest. I've already got enough hairs on my chest. Don't want any more.
Just plain.
Who's saying that? Aloha? Is it Aloha that's talking?
Yeah.
Where are you, Lohe?
I'm good. I
No,
drink
where are you? Where are you? In what country?
in Portugal right now.
Portugal.
Are you gonna win
That's
the World Cup?
I don't give a shit about soccer, bro.
I
I
love that. I don't give a shit about fuck. That's great. Oh, look, GJ coming down again. Are you gonna finally break for the fucking 15th time?
no, I really piss off myself to not today this week because oh my god, I have 4 trading in the row lose.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
You have to look at why. I've had, you know.
Why? Why? Because I make the same mistake.
Well, there you go then.
Oh. What's the same mistake?
I believe in my trade.
And you shouldn't believe it.
You like guys.
That's funny. Yeah. I've got a similar issue.
You believe
I
it.
believe in my analysis. I'm wrong.
Sometimes you gotta know if you're wrong and you gotta get out and take it. Because that
Yeah,
manages
yeah.
the risk.
Gold has reacted, man. Look at this.
I think my problem is because I only trade gold.
I think that's a good thing, though.
Yeah, I
Don't
know.
become a specialist, you know.
Exactly.
But fuck, he
I
fucking.
think I'm losing after today. I'm just getting rid of GJ because my spreads are shit and it doesn't make its fucking mind up at the moment.
It doesn't. Yeah, it really doesn't.
At the moment. So, Matt, quick question for me, as per usual. But with the old order block here,
Yeah.
so there was an order block here at the bottom, right? Which
Gold.
yeah,
Yeah.
and so if that's triggered, that can be it can the order block kind of like is still kind of relevant. So if it comes down again, it can still kind of react
Well,
off
it can
it.
still, yeah, it can still react off it. But in terms of like your entry, I wouldn't go for it again. But I think that's
Right.
Just,
So first time's like the one where you could
First time's the one that-
potentially do
Yeah.
a buy stop or a sell stop or whatever it might be.
yeah.
But it doesn't mean that it can't react again, but you really only want to use
Yeah,
that bullet once.
Yeah.
Okay.
It can just form into a resistance or a support.
Yeah, exactly.
Right.
Yeah, 100%. So just wanted to support, so it could still react on that. It's just like for me, the first tap that I get, you know, if it's so I had it actually marked like this candle there before it pushed that one there. So when that just tapped into the zone, I was like, right, okay, my stop loss is. Let's take a look. So my stop is, let's see, like 9 pips, 10 pips. So I don't really care too much about that. So it's very tight. When it came in, just took the buy there, stop loss below, and I ran it up to like there.
Okay.
And then obviously it got stopped out there, still held though, and then finally went. So.
Okay. And were you just paper trading them at the moment, or just small
No, I did
position?
take that one, but small position, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
I played the new COD last night.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, like multiplayer. It's actually quite cool.
Yeah, I like it.
But the loading, I'm on PlayStation. There's like so many like glitches loading it up and looking for
Really?
that.
Apparently there is, yeah. Apparently that's quite. To be fair, my PC flickers when I play it, which is quite annoying actually. Flickering.
Right.
Bit of a pain in the ass. So yeah, looking like this gold's holding. GJ is.
Oh man, Portugal is fucking freezing right now.
Best not as cold as here. How cold?
Freezing, raining, dark outside. Oh my god, man, it's like the end of the world. Sometimes my dog look me say, "Oh, please bring me out." I say, "Man, it's fucking freezing."
Yeah, my COD, like if I'm playing it, like I'm running around the screen and it just flickers, like the screen like flickers a little bit, and it's like, what the fuck is going on?
Oh, really? And what you? Oh yeah, you're on PC, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So does it definitely give you a bit of an advantage, PC versus?
Yeah, well, obviously the mouse is just so much because there's more nerves. You've got like fucking 5 fingers on it, right? Whereas you only have an analog stick. You've got one finger, one thumb, like moving around. While I've got like 5 different points. So.
Don't have to show off. So it's just quicker.
Just quicker, yeah. I can change direction much quicker.
Right.
I don't believe go down, guys.
I don't believe gold do anything right now until we come back to that trend line. I mean, is there another one yet? Yeah, it's still holding that support, which is good. Still holding that level.
I'm going to London.
You're going to what?
No, I said how long till London Open? About half an hour, 40
Yeah.
minutes.
Yep.
Waiting for that.
Oh yeah.
His GJ is like
Well, it looks alright in the 15 to continue down, but it's just fucking the actual doing of it. It's just painful. Like, just look at the fucking 1 minute. It's just shit. No vol. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait for this GJ to sort itself out. And cheers to gold, it's still, you know, it's like a double bottom now, which is good.
where is Manuel?
Manuel, I think, is sleeping, boy. I messaged him this morning, actually, saying, Manuel, sleeping. Gold potential.
The Mr. 100 pips.
Just sell GJ and close your eyes. Yeah, I think if you were doing that, you'd be fucking winking. You would not be sleeping. You'd be not sleeping very well, anyway.
Gold look like a product for China. When you buy, you're so happy because you pay cheap. And when you go home and you try your product, it's fucking disgusting. Sorry if you some China guys in the chat.
In the chat. Wait, push to count. So back up to 500 again for like the 8th time. So there's another L for people trying to take the lows. Oh god. I'm Chinese, but that's a fact. So yeah, we still gotta wait. Obviously, it's still early, man. It's only 7:30, so hopefully maybe the spreads and stuff can get maybe a little bit better on GJ later on. But we'll keep an eye out for it.
I don't have big spread today.
You're the only one.
Yeah, what are your spreads on GJ?
My FOREX fall. Bro, it's the big spread in the world.
What's your spread?
Let me check.
Oh yeah, mine's 10 now. Mine's getting a bit better now.
Yeah, mine's 10.
Mine's getting a bit better now. So yeah, it seems to
Seven.
get maybe like 7:30. It gets a bit better. Oh, mine's getting 7,
9.
8.
Yeah, sometimes it change, but like it's 10, 7, 6, 9. In gold, I have 20.
Wow. So you're
Gold at 1.2 right now.
Yeah.
Yeah. The spread in the crypto is fucking crazy. Oh my god. Oh man.
So,
Yesterday night, I think a little bit for sell Euro S in the top. And I don't do.
Euro US. Do you place and trade? Do you place trades 75 on phone or on Discord? On Discord, what? I think you mean on PC. PC.
Oh, you back at your setup? Oh,
Yeah. Back at my setup. That's mad. So how big's that drop? Let's look at today, the daily change. That daily just... I saw loads of crypto people starting to pipe up on TikTok again. Like, oh, look, we're getting bullish signs. You're not going anywhere for a good fucking 2 years, a year. You idiots. Literally, they're like, oh, yeah, look, you've got to close your above for support. We're going to continue. We're going to fly. Oh, you're fucking talking shit. 1.2 spread commission on gold with no commission. Wow, amazing. Amazing.
All right, 30 minutes.
30 minutes for it. 30 minutes. I think these are going to be swooped. These GJ levels. Because this GJ is pumping. And it'll be swooping the Asian lows, all that good stuff. So yeah, I think the buys should be pretty good.
Go back to 7, 8.
I think, well, I mean, if it gets past this garbage, I think back up to the highs, 169, yeah.
The next trade that I do in gold, I wanna put 7,000. 17 might take profit.
Yeah, I think that'd be quite good for a little buy.
I wanna leave over there.
Okay, let's take a look. Yeah. Yeah, PC, what Discord? What the fuck? So the 50-minute closed bullish above Asian highs again. Nice strong candles. So yeah, I mean, maybe the buys, but it's just the fucking zone is just giving me nothing to really do. But it's bullish, it's engulfed. It's gone above the Asian lows. If this makes a low wick and breaks the high, might get a little bit of an impulse trade there. To push up, it's just this zone is a little bit shady. Goldie, same kind of thing, it's just ranging now, so yeah, price action sure.
Max, are you revising your trend line on those two new top wicks?
Yeah, let's take a
Just kind of smacked it in. Short.
Yeah, like that there. Yeah, maybe. Could be one. Maybe.
Maybe
Let's
not.
take a look at the spread now. Yeah. Oh, it's still 1.5. What the fuck? So if this candle reflips, it should push. Because obviously it's swooping the Asian. Stop loss below the previous would be 16 pips. It's not bad, eh? It's just a shame of the zone. I'm not touching GJ, but it's something to think about. Flip. Break the previous high and push, but I'm not touching it. I don't have any faith in GG right now. Where is it? $51 likes, guys. Make sure you like the stream up. Still waiting for something right now. At the moment, there's nothing. Look at EJ. EJ held the support, as I said. I was cautious of that support holding, and it did it pretty nicely.
Este incrível adesivo inteligente extrai décadas de toxinas acumuladas.
Jesus Christ, hello, hey. You got fucking one brain cell. Jesus Christ. Oh my god. So yeah, we'll see.
You tell me that, but in this exactly moment, this fucking propaganda come, I go with your shot in YouTube, say, hey Max, you are the boss. Put fucking like in this shot, in this movie. Follow these guys in YouTube. Okay.
So now it's a waiting game. Let's still look at this 3 minutes. Oh my god. I want to know who got bumbleclatted on the cells today. I'm so glad I fucking left it. Thank God for that. I mean, yeah, I mean, to be fair though, like, I remember, like, a couple months ago, like, there is some decent moves in the morning just recently. There's been too many, in terms of GJ, right? And obviously the spreads kind of put you off as well. So 11 minutes left. Obviously, you've got a lot of time in this candle. There's 5 minutes about to flip, maybe. 3 minutes, maybe breaking the high of the previous soon. But not there yet. Max is Chinese.
Everything that I talk to with you in the chat, you guys listening the streaming of YouTube?
What? Yes, they can hear you. That's why when you blast in that fucking random sound, it's a bit annoying.
My God. Oh, sorry, man. Oh, many China people in the chat too.
Yeah, probably. And your fucking kids in the background half the time.
Oh my God, man. Okay, kick me off. Kick me off.
Oh god. Oh, could fucking GJ pick a direction? Oh my god, I'm sick of looking at it. And Goldie as well.
I'll kick myself again.
Yeah, it's just not. It's not there yet, but boy, it's not there yet. It'd be fine sitting here if that gold trade just went like fucking 2 more pips.
I think I retired of gold.
Tired of gold.
Oh my God, he kicked my balls all week, bro. It's only
It's
2
only
days.
Tuesday.
It's only Tuesday, bro. It's only 2 days in this week.
Gold was nice yesterday.
For you.
Just fucking follow me, you idiot.
I driving, I traveling this time.
Oh my god, GJ coming down again for like the fucking 7th time. Can we please fucking leave this zone either one way or another? I'm bored of looking at it. Guys, you have your best spread good crazy or just GJ? I think it's just GJ that's a bit shit.
It's like fucking heavy raining outside.
No top wick, let's take a look. Yeah, it's got a little one. This 30-minute reflip. It's got 23 minutes left though, looking like it may push down now. So that's just so funny, right? Everyone who's probably in the cells there probably cut their losses there, and now it's gonna nut. And that's why you leave it alone. Don't. Oh, look at that! Shock, GJ's gonna go now. Wow! Finally! Well done, GJ. You can actually move. I bet it'll wick all the way back up from here.
Nope, you gotta buy GJ right now. Just put a half lot on.
Take a fucking half lot.
Put a half lot.
There's an M on the one. Everybody.
For the gamblers right now, just go for it.
GJ still has got a top wick. Yeah. Do. Tired of gold talk to GJ.
And on the 3, Max. You like them?
On where?
M on GJ, no?
Oh, there. Yeah. I'm not touching GJ. I'm telling you, I'm not touching it.
Oh no.
But yeah, I like it. Like
really done that. My spreads are just too fucked. I just get.
I think the best way is make some popcorns and watching for London.
Yeah, that's good, man. We're gonna get the moves on Goldie.
Freaking golden.
On gold, baby, gold, gold, gold.
Nice pajama, buddy.
Right. So yeah, in terms of this GJ, is it rejected again? Oh my god! If this comes back up and slaps everyone out, this should be your last.
I'm up 2
ever...
pips on GJ.
Oh my god! You've actually took it.
It's a half lot.
Yeah, not bad, not bad. I think yeah, we'll see.
It's time to get out.
You still make yoga, Max?
Still what? Do yoga?
Yoga.
Yeah.
Alone by yourself, or you go some class
Alone.
with many chicks?
Alone by myself.
Okay.
Alone by myself, yeah. I do it straight after this. Straight after this. Gold 50-minute barcode, yep. GJ also, so I'm just backing off over here.
Max, are you looking at a trend line below on gold?
Let's take a look, actually. Yeah, I actually think about it.
I got one from like starting yesterday morning, 7:25, 1666.8. That low.
For me personally, I'm not taking any because this is just a massive support. I need the support to break, and then the trend line. Even if the trend line's here, I'm not taking any sells in that area because it's an area of support and an OB. So
right. Okay, that's fair enough.
Yeah,
okay.
Done with GJ. I can't afford therapy. I can't afford therapy. That's great. Wow, GJ, finally going now. Amazing work. Well done. It took you literally how many fucking 5-minute candles for it to push down? My god.
Just wait for it. It's going to retrace all the way back up.
At some point, maybe.
Then in 20 minutes, we'll get some real volume.
Yeah.
Like gold is possible. Go back like a 54, no?
Elohe, please stop asking that now. I'm bored of it. What do I tell you every time, Elohe? Ready? What do I tell you every time? If it go back to 54, sure, back to 54, amazing, right? I agree. But what does it have to do to get to 54 before?
You fucking break the fucking line 67.
Exactly. So there you go. That's all you gotta say. So it can get to 54, but you gotta break 67 first, and then 63, and then you can get to 53, 54.
Hey Max, you're looking sexy when you be mad.
You say it every day. I'm like, yes, you're right. You're completely right, but just a bit more terminology. You gotta break some supports first, and then it'll get there. 100%. 100%. So yeah.
Take my microphone off.
No. Let's take a look. So the break of that low, if you got the break of the low, oh wow, 7 pips. Well done. You'd be like, oh my god, I've taken like fucking 30 pips drawdown and I still can't take a trade. A winning trade. Is that guy gay? No, Elohe is not gay. So yeah, I mean, 2 minutes left for this 15-minute candle, 17 minutes left for this candle. Now it's filling that zone, that was a zone that you wanted to fill, and it's clean, but my god, today it's no one on that level to be broken. So I'd even be cautious with the sells here, because it's going to make some support. You can just see it, really. Thought it was going to be a little bit further below, but yeah. Pump incoming. pump incoming. Oh, look at gold. Look at GJ. 3 minute pushed up.
GJ.
It's fucking mad, isn't it?
Just about did that gap.
At the moment, there is some issue with MT5 trades closing automatically for some reason unknown at the moment. Please, I advise you to stop trading for the moment. We're aware and working on it. Ah, they closed 5 of my trades. Holy shit, that's not good.
Who said that?
Andrea in the chat. MFF said like they're having some issues. Issues.
Funded trader, same thing.
Yeah. Account washing kind of days for many, I guess. If you're not patient enough, man, I've taken 1 win and 1 a break even. But yeah, if you're going balls deep on GJ, then yeah, you've probably taken a couple L's in this area. But you gotta that first kind of sign of, you know what, this doesn't look too nice, I'm gonna leave it. And I got it from that bit there. When we started to reject the lows again, I'm like, you know what, I'm not even gonna look for these cells. Big day today in the US, be careful. Yep, that's true. Big day. Yeah, it's maybe why gold just ranging through the whole of this pre London, yeah. Maybe. So 7:45 now. Great stuff. 7:45, 50-minute close here. Yeah, clear range on Goldie. GJ 50-minute close bearish. Great stuff. Do. Let's take a look at the 30 as well. 30 hasn't closed yet. 14 minutes left. So yeah, pretty boring session this morning, to be honest with you. The only thing that was good was the gold trend line, and obviously the onion play or the resistance forming was okay as well, I suppose. But it's elections, yeah. So election could be a little bit washed today. Little bit washed. Midterms, yeah. All the senators and stuff get elected. I didn't know that. Why are they all fucking old? Why is there no like younger people in there? Fucking hell. No doo-doo. I'll wait for the news to drop then for the fake out and then look for my shorts. This is my plan. Very nice. Down. So breaking the low again on GJ. Are you gonna actually push, or are you gonna just fuck around again? Lord have mercy. One second. Got 2 L's but managed risk and lost half of the regular risk. Very nice. Great risk management. That's what you gotta do, man. That's what you've gotta do. GJ got me dripping in sweat instead of diamonds. Bearish flag on the 4-hour index. Have you ever seen an explanation of trend lines? Why do 3 or more seeming randomly prices line up so perfectly? Because it's the trend. I don't know. The trend holds. So we have 10 minutes left for this 8 o'clock candle. Hopefully some volume coming over here. I'm praying. So let's take a look at the spreads now when we're coming towards London. 1.7? What the fuck? What is this monstrosity? Yeah, gold's really wanting to hold that level, eh? If it doesn't, then it's really bearish and 500 per day. I wait for to buy above 1685.50. Yeah, it'd be nice if it was a nice closure back in a beautiful, clean, beautiful zone, but it's not, unfortunately. 550 still looks like shit, but. If it gets the rejection now, then yeah, 100%. I think it should be good. Yeah, boy. Oh, did I tap their wicks to the left? Nearly.
No, there's a few short.
Little few short. Waiting for the rejection at yesterday's high. Will it bounce? Will it bounce? That is the question. That is the question.
At that line right there.
Yeah. Yeah. Let's look at that 30 as well when this gets there. 8 minutes left for this 30-minute candle. Still got a bit of time. I have a feeling just because how slow this is, this London Open is going to rip it. Rip it up. Goldie might break soon. Yeah, maybe for London Open. Maybe.
Oh, whoops.
If you can get there. It still hasn't even broken, really. It's still got a while. To be honest with you. Still got a while. Max, I heard you speak French. What? I wish I could speak French, but I do not.
Parlez French.
Can you speak French?
Je m'appelle Eloé. Ça va bien? Oui.
Ça va bien, monsieur. Et vous?
C'est très joli, mademoiselle. C'est bijoux, go dodo la maison.
What was that?
If you are pretty, go sleep in my home.
Yeah, la maison. Maison.
So, I don't speak French, guys.
I'd love to be able to speak like French or Spanish. Spanish.
I never been in French, but just in Tahiti. And I think the French is a little bit different in Tahiti. Because the Polynesian French.
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 There's equal highs around 16865, then equal highs around 82, and finally equal highs at 169. I don't even know why people are even thinking about taking a GJ trade after the fucking monstrosity it's done this morning. My days. Look at the 3 minute, looking like it's pushing up a little bit, but it's got a long way to go back. To be fair, this can retrace really fucking quick. Back up to 500. GJ usually doesn't leave such things hanging. Is Goldie still respected? Oh my god, it is. Still respecting.
I think London will sweep it and push.
Yeah. Max, what other languages do you know how to speak? Vietnamese? No, I'm joking. I don't have any of this. English people are lazy. Lazy. So, yeah, Goldie's still holding that level, my god. French football world champion. French football world champions. To be fair, I do think France are going to win again, unfortunately. I think so.
Minutes.
Yep. There's fucking nothing that I like at the moment. So 5 minute close bullish, make a low wick and then maybe break the high to continue, and then obviously the London volume will just go boom. That's what I expect. Max speaks Mandarin off stream. Oh my god. Speak Mandarin. Look at Goldie. Goldie still reacting off that level, man. Holding it. 3 minutes got no top wick as well. 3 minutes left for this candle to close. Make sure you like the stream, guys. It's been a bit of a boring morning, apart from one trade. Well, we took one in the morning. I took the OB, and then we took the gold trend line, which is great. Went around about 9 pips, but just didn't hit our fucking 10 pips, which is a bit annoying. GJ spread is getting built. Yeah. Spread still isn't the nicest. Look at that price action just after 5:45. Fuck. So both days I've got up early, but I've actually done 2-3 days now. They've been shit price action in the morning. Shock. Lord doesn't want me to take a nice trade in the morning.
Do you think it's to do with the hour change, like the
I have no idea. I think it's probably just how it is, you know, just one of the days. I think it's probably more to do with this fucking election thing, to be honest with you.
Yeah. Well, mate, you know what? The banks might change their bloody algorithms now and again, and to keep people on their toes. Not too predictable, I don't know.
Yeah.
I'm obviously fairly new to this, but
Change it about.
change it about a bit.
Goldie coming up again. So yeah, looking like we are a minute away. One minute away. What's 168,200 watch? Yeah, well, that's pretty much there, right? I mean, it's pretty much there. That Max speaks about it, for fuck's sake. So in terms of the gold, I mean, yeah, you could do the trend line again. Gets above. Maybe. See how this hourly closes and that, but looking like it's going to close quite strong, eh? Okay, DJ pushing up. Goldie as well hasn't closed above the trend line yet, but it looks pretty close to, maybe. So see in the next 5-minute closure. Hourly salary on gold. Ooh. Yeah. That looks pretty good, eh? GJ's made the top wick. Should nut down now. Finally. Finally nuts down. Oh my god, finally, GJ. Finally, you fucking do the whole move you should have done right at the start. I should have just waited until fucking 8 o'clock and took that trade there. So much easier. Doom. Okay, let's take a look. Yeah, it's Goldie's still back in that fucking zone again. So yeah, I mean, to be honest with you, if I didn't get my bad hopes in terms of this is why I didn't like doing trades in the morning. By the way, this is why I normally don't, because I'm sick and that puts me off it. And then this trade here is what I would have taken normally. The top wick flip, easy. So I think I'm just gonna sack off GJ completely until we get to 8 o'clock, really. Unless obviously 7:45.
Till we get the volume max.
Yeah, man, because that's easy. I mean,
the fucking Raja thing as well, right?
That's their 30-minute. It's just fucking textbook. But,
otherwise, you just get caught in all the shit.
Yep. 100%. So yeah, looking like it's still respecting that level again. The hourly salary play doesn't look too bad. Why did you look for a top wick for a move down? Because it rejects the previous zone and it gives me a nice stop. And it gives me the top wick of the hourly. See there, top wick of the hourly, good stuff.
Yeah.
So the top wick of the hourly, you know, if I know that price needs to make a top wick of most candles, if I've got that, then I've got the rejection that I need and the flip and the push. It's beautiful. It's beautiful, it's true. So yeah, we'll have to wait for Goldie to just get past this trend line, and we might have a little trade on it. And targets would be like to the high of this zone again, so 1672 would be nice. That's what I'd want to look for, I think. The only cause of concern and the only thing that'll put me off the trend line is obviously the price action. And normally when there's bad price action, the trend line's bad. It doesn't seem to work out too well, so I'll take that into account as well. How much would the hourly salary play? Let me just take this off for a second. Let's just see this hourly salary play. 22 pip stop. That could be okay. Why do you look for a top wick for a move down? Yeah. So there we go, beautiful. Clean candles left, finally did it, but my fucking lord. Tuck, it's bloody time. But the last one there, 8 o'clock, was probably the easiest move. Nice top wick. Had a couple of seconds to react on it, but that was much better. Much better. So this daily time frame hasn't broken the low of the previous, still holding that support. 4 hour bullish. Hourly time frame still holding the support pretty nicely. So this is a very, very key level of support, which is good. To continue. Come on, Goldie Nut. People in gold buys, it looks like. So the hourly salary play may be happening soon. It's just that zone, man. The price action on it is just a bit shit. Never see Roger taking a trade in this area. So same thing here. 30-minute salary play right now. What happened? I'm staying away from it. I just don't like this price action this morning. So there we go. Broke the high. So 1672.6, like back up to there would be reasonable. In terms of the 5-minute trend line, closure above, retest would be there, 1670.4. That would be the trade. But as I said, this is going to close above. There's resistance there and there, so it's not nice. Which is why I'll leave it. So the rules that we always talk about with the trend line, you've got to find the next TP. Well, the TP would be there or there. It needs to cover either all of them. So yeah. EJ looking like it's coming down. Let's look at the 15 and 30. Yeah. Not too bad. Trying to think of an entry there that he didn't have sweaty balls. The break of the low that we talked about, yeah, you would have taken a shitload of drawdowns. That wasn't the best either. If you're already in, clap your hands. Stevie's in. Stevie boy's in. Steve, come in the Zoom, brother. Holding that support, eh? Is he getting down here? 1668. Because that'll be good for giving this little room, maybe. Has it broke the hourly high yet? No, the hourly high is just a little bit higher up. In terms of
I
like,
got 1668.73.
oh, nice, very nice. In terms of OBs, a bit higher up. Let me just go to this because I'm not going to do it. So I might do that one later on though. To look at the 5, see if there's anything. Oh, maybe the 15. Sorry. Fucking hell, this price action up here is shite. Yeah, they've all been mitigated actually as well. So EJ looking good. Finally, yeah. Oh yeah. So booked the 30-minute high, hasn't booked the hourly yet. So potential targets, yeah, maybe if you could hold it on the whole way, 1678 would be nice for continued. But as you say, you know, the news today could be a little bit of a decider if it's going to run nicely or not. In terms of the 5-minute that we talked about, I think it's...
It didn't close above that. No. Even though it's shit anywhere around there.
Yeah.
Just ticking around. Looks like it might go, but...
Yeah.
I just watching you guys.
Yeah. Why would anyone trade after looking at these price action? Yeah, exactly. No need to, eh?
Ooh, fly gold.
Lag goldie goldie. Has it broke the hourly high yet? Nope.
No, not yet.
Not yet. Not yet. Is it gonna get there? I think if it breaks them, it should at least get there. 1672.6 would be nice after. Entries on the 3-minute just then. Let's take a look.
Oh yeah, 3-minute break and retested.
Close full on Goldie. Nice. And look at that retracement. Yeah, it's just shit price action.
Definitely looks like the news is. So what is the news today, Max? You said it already?
It's the elections,
Election.
the US elections.
Like local elections.
Midterm, yeah. So like when they pick the.
Is that like our
Senates
local
and shit.
elections? Yeah.
I think so,
Yeah.
Where is the new president? Trump again?
yeah. No, it's later on. It's the midterms. It's not. It's the Senates and stuff. Midterm election.
Cool. I'm gonna grab a hot drink. I think.
Yeah, I might sack this off to be honest with you. This fuck all here.
Looking good.
It's looking pretty pants.
Is there sim today, Max?
Yeah, there'll be one later on.
Maybe.
NY, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I'll see if you're here when I get back with my tea.
I doubt it, to be honest. It's fuck all here, to be honest.
Okay, bud. No problem, man. It was a good session, man. It was a great call on the break above the 5 min.
Yeah, boy.
It worked out.
Nice.
It was the right fucking call.
Yeah. Bloody gorgeous. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna leave it off over here. This price action's fucking shit. It's made me feel a bit sick, to be honest. So I'm gonna leave it until NY session. Obviously, there's news all day, so might be a little bit of a boring day, but that's fine. Took a nice little 9-pip trade and 0 drawdown again, which is great. But yeah, just couldn't get the full push, which is okay. So yeah, guys, thank you very much for coming on, and I'll see you guys later on, man. Peace out.
See you, Max.
See you later, guys.
Nice
out.
yoga session.
Yeah, boy. See you later, bud. Bye. See you later, YouTube. Thank you very much for coming on, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.